Money is a vital aspect of our lives, influencing not only our material well being but also our sense of security, freedom, and opportunities. Yet, for many, achieving financial abundance can feel like an elusive goal, clouded by doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. But manifesting money is not just about accumulating wealth for its own sake. It's about stepping into a mindset of abundance where you recognize and appreciate the infinite possibilities available to you. Today, we will examine the principles and practices that underpin the art of manifesting money, offering insights and strategies to help you unlock the flow of wealth and prosperity. First, let's understand what is manifestation. Manifestation is the process of bringing something into reality through your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and actions. It's based on the idea that our thoughts and energy have the power to shape our external circumstances. Manifestation can apply to various aspects of life, including health, relationships, career, and, as you asked earlier, money. The concept of manifestation is often associated with the law of attraction, is a belief or theory that suggests that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. In essence, which assume that like attracts like. According to this principle, by focusing on positive thoughts and overall, manifestation is about consciously creating the life you desire by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and actions with your goals. It's a practice that empowers individuals to take control of their lives and manifest their deepest desires into reality. How to manifest money? Here are 11 effective methods that you can implement to manifest money into your life, each of which has the potential to transform your financial situation and align you with the abundance you desire and deserve. First is visualize with all your might. Visualization is a powerful technique. Imagine money in your bank account, a raise in salary, or sharing exciting news with loved ones. Practice visualization in the morning and before sleeping for best effects. 2. Spending happily. Many people feel buyer's remorse guilt after spending money. This feeling arises from deprivation and feeling that you lack money. To change this, spend money as you usually do but change your emotions. Imagine you have money, be grateful and really enjoy your shopping. It changes your frequency to abundance. Third is 369. 369 means whatever you eat, you must write it down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. It reprograms the subconscious with repeated focus, allowing you to immerse yourself in the feeling of your goal. However, along with this method, it is necessary to adjust your mindset about money. Understand the law of attraction and vibration. Money reacts to the energy you emit. It is attracted to the vibrations of abundance and prosperity that are present with you. The key to manifesting wealth is to realize that you already have it. This feeling of having money, even a small amount like 10 rupees, comes from gratitude for abundance and prosperity. 5. Surround yourself with prosperity. Even if you lack money, surround yourself with abundance. Visit affluent areas, follow affluent people online, and explore high end shops. Even small changes matter, like upgrading your coffee or switching to a fancy glass for water. These actions focus your attention on abundance. 6. Keep money in your wallet or write a check. Keep a 500 rupees note in your wallet for a constant reminder of the money available. Writing a check with your name and desired amount on it can also confirm abundance. These visible signs keep your mind attracted towards financial prosperity. 7. Align crystals with your intention. Crystals enhance your current mindset. For example, clear quartz enhances your thoughts. Before using crystals, make sure you are working from a place of abundance and positivity, allowing the crystals to enhance those feelings. 8. Affirmations. Affirmations work best when you believe in them and let go. Although repeating, money comes easy may help, your confidence in the new investment is important. Believe in its truth, believe and leave doubt. 9. Be open. Be open to receiving money in unexpected ways. Sometimes, opportunities for financial abundance come in ways we least expect, so be open and receptive to all possibilities. 10. Chant Convalexa. Switch words are for specific results, and Convalexa is meant to attract wealth. Therefore, traders, investors, salaried individuals, and anyone who needs more money in their life can chant Convalexa. Kuber Mudra. To perform Kuber Mudra for wealth manifestation, touch the tips of your index, middle finger, and thumb together, keeping the rest of the fingers spread. Focus on your intention for financial abundance while holding the pose. Take slow, deep breaths and imagine that you are surrounded by money. Hold the pose for 5 to 15 minutes, then express gratitude for existing abundance. In conclusion, remember that manifesting wealth doesn't just mean wishing for it, you also need to take practical steps toward your goals while maintaining a positive mindset and belief in your ability to attract abundance into your life.